Good afternoon, students. Yesterday I explained you the use of present continuous. So today I want to give you the formation of negative and interrogative sentences. For example, I am reading a book. This is an affirmative sentence. I want to change it into negative, but see, this helping verb is already there. Okay? So the negative will be am I? Am I reading a book? This is interrogative verb. This is interrogative verb. Am I reading a book? Okay? And remember, I for personal pronoun can never be written with single this I. We always have to write capital I for me. I मैंने के लिए, मैं के लिए यहाँ हमेशा capital ही काम आता है. This is the common error you commit. Okay? And its negative sentence. I am, because helping verb is already there, so we need not to write any helping verb or to add any helping verb there. I am not reading a book. Okay? This is another sentence for present continuous. Second example, he is, singular noun I have written, he is reading a book. The same sentence, reading a book. Negative, he is, because this helping verb is already there. In present simple, we added this helping verb do or does because it was not there. But in this sentence, we have helping verbs in the sentences. He is reading a, he is not reading a book. Okay? Interrogative. Is he reading a book? So I hope you have understood the meaning and how to change an affirmative sentence into interrogative and negative sentences in present continuous. Okay? So we understood the making of negative and interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. Now we come to past continuous. Past continuous is the tense which show the continuity of an action at some point of time or for the duration of the time in past time. Okay? पास्ट के किसी टाइम पर कोई एक्शन प्रोग्रेस में था, कंटिन्यूटी में था, कोई एक्शन चल रहा था, उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. See this structure. Subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb. We here is for verb. So verb ing and the object. Okay? So singular nouns carry was with them. Remember this. Singular subjects carry was. And plurals I and you, all they carry verb. I was going to market yesterday in the evening. Okay? You were playing when I met you. They were writing letters when the teacher entered. Are you getting? समझ में आ रहा है आपको कि सिंगुलर नाउन्स के साथ वाज यूज होता है और आई के साथ, आई और सारे सिंगुलर नाउन्स के साथ, और बाकी सारे प्लूरल्स और यू इन सबके साथ यूज होता है वर्ब. ओके, एंड as it remains the same as it was in present continuous, ing form of the verb. They were playing cricket. Okay, so this is past continuous. Subject means the noun or pronoun, they carry was or were with them, and ing form of the verb. So take care and watch the videos carefully till the end. Fine. Now how do we use past continuous tense? Present tense में हमने बताया था कि this present continuous tense shows the continuity of an action at the time of speaking, or the action that will not be going on but it is going on for the short duration of the time, or for the future fixed plans. But in past continuous tense, we first use to show an action which was continuous, that started and ended in the past. Past में शुरू हुआ और complete हो गया, लेकिन उसकी continuity उस समय थी past के किसी टाइम पर. See the example. My mother was cooking for hours yesterday. कल मेरी माँ ने बहुत घंटों तक खाना बना रही थी. ओके, टेक केयर. My mother, this is singular subject. This is was and ing form of the verb. Take care. My mother was cooking for hours yesterday. Another example. They and were shopping कर रहे थे last Monday. Okay, so this way we use past continuous tense. The another use, two or more actions happening at the same time in the past. दो या दो से ज़्यादा एक्शन पास्ट में हुए हो, जैसे और वो भी साथ साथ. When two actions or more than two, they took place at the same time. Like this afternoon, I was dancing and my brother was playing. दोपहर में मैं डांस कर रही थी और मेरा ब्रदर खेल रहा था. या while it was raining. See in another example. While it was raining, I shall rub it. So take care, note them down, or you may note down from your book itself. You can have another example. While it was raining, this is an example. While it was raining, my mother was cooking. Okay? जब बारिश हो रही थी, मेरी मदर कुकिंग कर रही थी. Okay? This is also an example of the continuous tense where two actions are going on at the same time. Okay? Now third use is to show an action which was in continuous, one action continuous, another action started and completed in the middle of the first action. कोई एक्शन चल रहा था, उसके बीच में कोई एक्शन शुरू भी हो गया और कंप्लीट भी हो गया. Like I was playing cricket when I saw an aeroplane. पास में एक्शन था, I saw an aeroplane and he was playing cricket. I was playing cricket when I saw an aeroplane. The farmers were cutting the crop when it began to rain. Farmers were cutting the crops when it began to rain. So I hope you have got the use of past continuous. Now we come to exercise 1. Let's practice on page number 92. So come to this exercise. Let's practice page 92. Let's practice. See. First example, I was getting ready for the concert when my friend called. अब किस तरह से यूज है इसका, हमें नंबर बताना है इसका. ये तीन जो यूज है, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. हियर वी हैव टू fill in the blank the use of past continuous tense. Okay? I was getting ready for the concert when my friend called. What is this use? See the third example. थर्ड के एग्जाम्पल्स देखो. I was getting ready for the concert when my friend called. तो ये कौन सा है? 3 नंबर का. A sentence is 3. B sentence. निधि, what are you doing? What were you doing last evening? क्या कह रहे हैं? सिंपल पास्ट है. क्या कर रहे थे कल? सो सिंपल पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. It is the action that remained in progress. So it is 1. Okay? Then Bhavna, I was working on my project until dinner. This is also an example of 1. Then comes C. While I was playing a game on mom's mobile phone, it rang. ये कौन सा है? While I was playing a game. जब मैं गेम खेल रहा था, मोबाइल फोन, इट रैंग. तो ये कौन सा है? थर्ड नंबर का. ओके. डी. आई वॉज बेकिंग अ केक एंड माई सिस्टर वॉज डिस्टर्बिंग मी. 2 actions were going on at the same time. It means this is the second type of use. And then comes E. I was walking to the stadium in the evening. That is of first use. कैसे? कि कल शाम को मैं वॉक कर रहा था. It is the first use. Fine. So I hope you are getting what I mean to say. Now we come to second exercise. This is exercise 1. Now we come to exercise 2. We have to fill in the blanks with correct forms of the verbs given in the brackets. First sentence. A. I क्या कह रहा है ये? 8 बजे क्या कर रहा था? 8 बजे में शावर ले रहा. I was taking a shower. I was taking a shower and was singing. और गा भी रहा था. दोनों काम हो रहे थे. And was singing. In the example, I her while she. while मतलब एक काम हो रहा था, मतलब एक प्रेजेंट सिंपल में आएगा, दूसरा पास्ट सिंपल और दूसरा पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. इन बी एग्जाम्पल, I met her. Okay? I met her while she was shopping. इनको ब्लैंक्स में पढ़ लेना. I met her while she was shopping. Third sentence. At 8:30 a.m. yesterday, we 8:30 बजे 8:30 पर 8:30 a.m. yesterday हम क्या कर रहे थे? We were going to school. C. हम 8:30 बजे हम स्कूल जा रहे थे। We were going to school. Okay. Now, fourth example, D. James Bond when से connected है, take care, when he see the criminal. जेम्स बॉन्ड गाड़ी चला रहे थे जब उन्होंने क्रिमिनल को देखा। सो जेम्स बॉन्ड was driving when he saw, what will be written here? When he saw the criminal. In E exercise, my friend, क्या लिखे हम was learning French last year, not me. Last year फ्रेंड, यहाँ हम सिंपल पास्ट भी यूज कर सकते हैं। माई फ्रेंड लर्न फ्रेंच लास्ट ईयर, नॉट मी। वी कैन यूज बोथ, वाज लर्निंग, और यू कैन राइट लर्न हियर ऑल्सो। पास्ट लर्न का सिंपल पास्ट क्या है? लर्न। सो वी कैन राइट लर्न ऑल्सो हियर। I on the guitar and my sister play the piano. The verbs are strum and play. While the phone rang. तो दो एक्शन प्रोग्रेस में थे जब बेल हुई, जब फोन की घंटी बजी। टू एक्शंस वर इन प्रोग्रेस। सो I was strumming. स्ट्रम होता है कि किसी इंस्ट्रूमेंट की हेल्प से गिटार बजाते हैं ना, तुमने देखा होगा। कोई एक पकड़ने के लिए चीज होती है, कोई एक हम मान सकते हैं कि इट इज पीस ऑफ मेटल विद द हेल्प ऑफ विच गिटार इज प्ले। ठीक है ना? तो आई वॉज स्ट्रमिंग, एफ आई के साथ क्या यूज आएगा? वॉज। आई वॉज strumming the guitar while my sister was playing the piano. Okay. Now in G exercise, the pilot take off when she saw a dog on the runway. क्या लिखेंगे हम? The pilot was taking off. उसने देखा जब वो टेक ऑफ कर रही थी। टेक ऑफ जानते हो ना, जब एरोप्लेन जमीन पर दौड़ते हुए उड़ जाता है। ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड टेकिंग ऑफ। Pilot was taking off while she saw a dog on the runway. She stopped on the runway and called the air traffic control officers. So the pilot was taking off, taking O-double-F. Then she stopped, okay, stopped on the runway and called, simple past, रुक गई और एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोलर को बुलवाया, and called the air traffic control officers. Okay, so do this exercise in your notebook. Okay.